Imagine investing time, money, and trust into a new hire, only to find out a few months later that they're completely wrong for the job. They're underperforming, they don't fit with your team, and now you have to start all over again. The worst part, that mistake costs your company over $50,000. Bad hires aren't just frustrating, they're expensive. But why do they happen? And more importantly, how can you prevent them? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid this costly hiring mistake and protect your company from wasted time, money, and resources. Let's break this down. Hiring the wrong person doesn't just mean paying their salary. The real costs add up fast. Here's where the money really disappears. Hidden cost number 1, lost productivity. A bad hire isn't just underperforming, they're slowing down your entire team. Coworkers waste time fixing mistakes, managers spend extra hours coaching, and projects fall behind. The average productivity loss, over $15,000 per bad hire. Hidden cost number 2, damage to team morale. One bad hire or one bad employee can create a ripple effect of negativity. When a team member isn't pulling their weight, frustration builds. High-performing employees may start thinking, why should I work harder if they're getting away with this? This can lead to a higher turnover, which costs even more. Hidden cost number 3, recruitment and training expenses. Every time you have to replace a bad hire, you're spending thousands in job postings, interview hours, onboarding, and training. It's estimated that replacing an employee costs up to 30% of their annual salary, sometimes more. So how do you avoid hiring the wrong person? One of the biggest mistakes companies make is not doing their thorough background check. Here's why they matter. Red flag number 1, resume lies. Did you know over half of job applicants lie on their resumes? Background checks verify employment history, education, and credentials, so you don't end up hiring someone who faked their way through their interview. Red flag number 2, criminal history risk. Some industries require background screenings to ensure workplace safety and legal compliance. Failing to check this could lead to liability risks or even legal trouble down the road. Red flag number 3, fake references and fabricated experience. References can be faked, and many job seekers list friends instead of actual past employers. Proper background screening helps confirm real employment history before it's too late. All right, let's talk about solutions. Here's how to avoid a costly hiring mistake. Step number 1, pre-screen thoroughly. Use AI-powered tools like TalentIQ to assess skills, culture fit, and behavior before they even reach the interview stage. Step number 2, verify employment and education. Don't just take a candidate's word for it. Verify their work history, degrees, and certifications. A 5-minute check can save you months of frustration. Step number 3, conduct a proper background check. Use a trusted background check provider like KENTECH to screen for criminal records, employment fraud, and identity verification. Step number 4, continuous monitoring for long-term success. Even after hiring, continuous background monitoring helps ensure employees maintain integrity and compliance over time. Hiring doesn't have to be a gamble. With the right screening process, you can protect your business, your team, and your bottom line.